Introducing here Eat Sleep Burn for your losing weight without any struggle. It's amazing and life-changing forever for you. Here's how it works. Just enroll in Eat Sleep Burn right now. Use the material. It's so easy to use and as close to done for you as humanly possible. See for yourself how easy getting a taut, firm, flat belly and watching the pounds fall off, literally overnight, can actually be. Experience what it's like to double your energy and wake up every morning ready to take on the world, instead of yearning to just hit the snooze button until noon. If you don't think Eat Sleep Burn is worth at least double what you're paying today, just contact my customer service at service@eatsleepburn.com anytime in the next 60 days. And you'll get every dime back as fast as we can. In the Eat Sleep Burn system you'll learn the precise shutdown sequence required to guarantee the exact form of potent sleep that will naturally melt away all your excess body fat. The 3 key sleep switches that make it easy to reclaim your energy and vitality. How to reset your circadian rhythm so that your body intuitively knows the most healthy time to drift off to sleep and to wake you without an alarm or any morning grogginess. How to control a powerful neurotransmitter in your brain that instantly lets you shut out anxious thoughts and power down your spinning brain. Which means as soon as tonight you can enjoy a deep, relaxing and restoring sleep while your body goes to work burning ugly belly fat. While deep in your cells you immediately start laying the foundation that will help prevent the potential for disease that lurks in your body. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. I barely have time to tell you about the Bat Cave method to virtually guarantee you fall easily into a deep and restorative sleep. The 2 rules you must never break if you take a nap. I mean never. One simple trick you can use to double the amount of fat-burning deep sleep you get every single night. How to reduce cancer-causing inflammation throughout your body without dangerous and expensive drugs. Okay. Can you feel that? Your heart beating. The dryness in your mouth. That incredible desire to know this. To be able to do this. To never again feel tired all the time? To laugh at the idea of cravings because they just aren't a thing anymore? To have control over your body and your health in a way you never have before? Let me ask you, how much is it worth to you to never have to feel fat again for the rest of your life? How much is it worth to you to have your friends jealous of the amazing changes you've made to your body, begging you for your secrets? How much is it worth to wake up every morning feeling rested, and sail through the day supercharged with energy to spare? How much is it worth to never feel like you have to deprive yourself or diet again? Imagine that for a second. Really let yourself feel what that would be like. And then tell me, what do you think would be a fair price to completely flatten your belly and gain absolute control over your weight in just a few short weeks and with less effort than it takes you to drive to the grocery store? What is it worth to wake up rested, without an alarm, every morning and motor through your day with the childlike energy and joy? If you're being completely honest with yourself, I bet you'd say $197 or more would be totally fair to feel happy and smile so wide it makes your cheeks hurt every time you look in the mirror or run a hand along your belly because it's so flat and strong and tight. And considering the fact that folks routinely pay $900 just to spend a single day with Dan to learn this exact same stuff. And his elite clients are happily giving him $1,500 a month just as a retainer for his coaching. When you look at it that way it seems pretty cheap, doesn't it? And yet I know that as a woman, a mom, and a police officer it's been ingrained in me to give to others. And I understand that sometimes you just can't bring yourself to be selfish and give yourself what you need. Even though you want something so much and know it's a once-in-a-lifetime deal. Which is why I'm going to do something kind of risky here. Not a risk to you, but a big risk to me. Remember, we set off on this journey because we felt called. We felt the desire and need to get this into the hands of as many people as possible. Because we lived through the pain and we rejoice every day that we found the cure. And if I have to take a hit to my wallet to help you? Well, that's a price I'm extremely happy to pay. So here's what I'm going to do. We've already agreed that Eat Sleep Burn is worth at least $197. But, because you've read this page and given me some of your precious time, I'm not going to ask you to invest $197. I'm not even going to ask you to pay $97, even though I know you'll all agree that would be a steal. No, for you, and for now, I'm going to do something a little bit crazy. For as long as this page is up, and not a moment longer, I'm going to set your price for Eat Sleep Burn at just one single payment of $77. And if you act right now, I'll take money out of my own pocket and give you a whopping 60% off Eat Sleep Burn. Just don't share this, okay, because Todd and Dan don't know I'm doing this. Which means if you simply click the button on this page right now, you'll get the complete Eat Sleep Burn system, including the recipe to make the Sleep Slim tea for the severely discounted price of. If you want to buy Eat Sleep Burn, go the description, then click the links. That's the good news. The bad news is to lock in your discount, you have to act right now. Why? Well, I shouldn't really share this, but Todd and I are in a bit of a fight about this. Because Todd feels like this program literally saved his life, and because Todd knows how much Dan's personal clients are paying for basically the same information. Todd tells me that I'm being a bleeding heart by setting the price so low. And that $37 is just way too cheap. And that even though the program is tested and proven and powerful, nobody is going to believe you can get Ritz-Carlton results at Howard Johnson prices. So to fulfill my mission to help as many struggling folks as possible, I may need to raise or even double the price. So if you're still seeing this page, it means, for now, I'm winning the argument, and we're still testing to find out if we can make the numbers work with your incredible discount. But please, if you come back in a few hours or tomorrow and the price is higher, maybe much higher, please, don't write me begging. If you pass up your one chance to lock in your discount now, there's simply nothing I can do for you. Oh, and just to take away every excuse your brain can come up with not to do this for yourself, I'm going to back everything I've set up with a frankly incredible 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe my channel to get updated video related to your health. If you want to buy Eat Sleep Burn OR for more information, go the description, then click the links.